everybody, and welcome back to Totally Relaxed. Well, as you can see, it's not raining today, but it was sunshining a lot more earlier, but it's gotten kind of cloudy in the last little bit. But anyway, I'm not here to talk about the weather. I'm here to show you what I did in my truck. I called my mechanic yesterday and asked him how much he had charged to take out all the old air conditioner system that's in here that's old, 21 years old, and replace it with brand new stuff. And he told me around $2,000. And I thought, well, okay, that's not gonna happen. So I went down to AutoZone yesterday and I bought this little jewel right here. That fan right there. It works real good. I mounted it on the visor over there on the passenger side and run the wires through the top behind the visor on the driver's side and down this panel right there and inside this little door right there, and brought it back up through the dash, and it comes out right there. I put it on a little four-way thingy here. That way I can still plug in my dash cam and another accessory if I needed it. Anyway, not much going on. I just thought I'd show that to y'all and say hello and say I hope everybody's doing well and hope everybody's happy and healthy and all that good stuff. So anyway, y'all have a great day, and I shall see y'all in the next video. Bye now.